Hey guys, Dr. David Jockers here, Doctor of Natural Medicine, and today I'm going to show you 8 ways to use turmeric on a ketogenic diet. You know, what I've found as a big issue when people are trying to get on a ketogenic diet and get into ketosis is they're not using polyphenol antioxidants, these really powerful herbs. Turmeric is one of the most well studied. In this video, I'm going to go over exactly what turmeric does for your body, and again, 8 strategies, ways to apply it on a regular basis to improve your health. So really, when we look at turmeric, again, it's this powerful antioxidant, this polyphenol antioxidant, and the main compound in here is called curcumin. These curcuminoid antioxidants, they help support intracellular antioxidants, meaning your body's ability to prevent against oxidative stress, which is like rusting of the cell and rusting of the tissues. And so they help boost things like glutathione, catalase, and superoxide dismutase, which allow the cell and the genetic, the DNA, to have a stronger force against the environmental forces of oxidative stress. On top of that, they actually help to regulate your liver enzymes. And so with people that are struggling to get into ketosis, one problem they oftentimes have is that their liver has enzymes that are breaking down sugar molecules, glycogen, stored sugar, and elevating blood sugar. Turmeric, or curcumin, that active ingredient, has been shown in clinical research to actually reduce these enzymes that increase blood sugar and increase the enzymes that help our body to store sugar in the form of glycogen. So really, really powerful right there. So another study, a 2014 study out of the Journal of Pharmacological Environmental Toxicity, showed that turmeric, curcumin supplementation, was actually able to increase insulin receptor activity. So it actually increased the amount of insulin receptors, and on top of that, it was also shown to improve the sensitivity of those receptors. Insulin is really key for getting sugar out of the bloodstream into the muscles. What does that mean when we're trying to do a ketogenic diet? The better our insulin sensitivity, the better we're gonna stabilize blood sugar, the better we're gonna be able to increase ketones and get all the awesome benefits that a ketogenic diet provides. We're gonna have more stable blood sugar, we're gonna have better mental function, cognitive acceleration, being able to think sharply and quickly, and we're gonna have awesome energy and lowered levels of inflammation. So definitely adding turmeric into your diet on a regular basis is super powerful. So here are 8 ways you can add it in. One is putting it in your morning coffee. You know, on our website, we've got a great recipe. It is our turmeric fat burning coffee. So this combines the benefits of the polyphenols found in organic coffee, as well as grass-fed butter, which is super rich in antioxidants, as well as healthy fats, and MCT oil to make a great tasting fat-burning coffee, so check that one out. We also have an anti-inflammatory milk where we basically take turmeric, we combine it with coconut milk, so a really, really good fat source to help turn on the fat-burning switch in your body. On top of that, we've got a turmeric paste. And so you can actually make this turmeric paste and you can apply it to a lot of different recipes, and it's awesome. You can keep it in your refrigerator, pull it out when you need it, and now you're adding the power of turmeric combined with coconut oil, which is in this turmeric paste recipe as well, to support your body's antioxidant defense system. On top of that, we've also got it in soups, like our zucchini turmeric soup, which is awesome, so you can actually apply it to soups and broths and get the benefits of turmeric. We also have turmeric bars, where we take beef gelatin, grass-fed beef gelatin, and basically make almost like a marshmallow, right, that you're able to consume and get the benefits of collagen protein, which is in the beef gelatin, as well as the turmeric. And then we also have it in a lot of different dessert recipes, like our turmeric keto cookies, which takes the turmeric, applies it with things like coconut butter, coconut flour to make awesome tasting cookies, and getting the power of turmeric into your system. So our 8th recipe is our turmeric cream cups, which are basically fat bombs. What does that mean? It's like we just take in good healthy fats that immediately turn into ketones in our system and provide that stable energy source, but we also add it with the turmeric so you get the benefits of these powerful polyphenols. So check out the turmeric coconut cream cups. And one last bonus recipe. That is our De-Inflaming Lemonade, where we combine the power of turmeric along with lemon, which is rich in bioflavonoids, vitamin C, which basically helps support all of our digestive juices and powerfully downregulates inflammation in your body. So those are 8 ways plus one bonus strategy for getting more turmeric polyphenols into your system. So if you're on a ketogenic diet or not, and you just want to improve your digestion, your energy, your ability to burn fat for energy, your ability to support your brain, then I would highly encourage you to start using more turmeric into your diet.